Now repeat after me. Rumor, rumor, rumor. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning, a rumor is a piece of information or a story that is spread informally from person to person, often without confirmation or evidence. Rumors can be about almost anything, and while some may be harmless, others can lead to misunderstandings or conflicts. Rumors are often unverified and can spread quickly, especially through social media or word of mouth. Think of it like this. A rumor is like a piece of gossip that may or may not be true, yet it's still shared widely. In a sentence, there was a rumor going around that the company might close, but no one knew if it was true. Here, rumor refers to the unverified information that was being spread. Let's try another example. She heard a rumor about a surprise party, but she wasn't sure if it was real. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using rumor. Synonyms. Some related terms for rumor are gossip, casual or unverified talk about others. Speculation, ideas or guesses about something without solid evidence. Antonyms. The opposite of rumor would be fact, verified information based on evidence and truth. Truth, something that is proven to be accurate and real. Part of speech. Rumor is a noun referring to unconfirmed information or gossip. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.